Welcome to All Time Free Tutor. Today we'll start what is HCF or GCD. If you want to know this about this video, then you have to select this English video and open link. The video will come. If you need any problem, help. First I am starting with two numbers, HCF between 12 and 18. First, what we have to do? We have to calculate all the factors of 12. HCF. We have to know this term very well. HCF or GCD. Highest common factor. What is factor? Or what is divisor? Factor, divisor, both same hai. Okay. Then common factor, and then we have to know what is highest common factor. These three terms we have to know very well. First, we want to know what is factor. Factor is the numbers by which this number will be divisible. You have to write all the factors of 12 first. 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. You have to write all the numbers first. Similarly, you have to write all the numbers factors of 18 also. This is the factors. Then we have to find common factors. Common factors means the numbers which are in this here also, exist here also as well as here also. Common. One is common. I have the color here, so I can identify very easily, but in your copy it is not colored, so you have to find out yourself. 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common, 6 is common. No more is common there. So these are the common factors. By these numbers, 12 and 18 both are divisible. These are the common factors. Next term is highest or greatest. That means which one is the greatest between these? Obviously 6. So 6 is the answer. In this way, we should calculate the HCF. In case of three numbers also similarly, I have to write all the factors list of 12, factors list of 18, factors list of 36 also. And then we have to write all the common multiples. Which are common, not between 2. Look at here, 4 is common between these two, but not here. So 4 cannot be considered. 4 is not common. 4 is common between 12 and 36. 4 is not common between all the 3. So we cannot consider 4. And then HCFs. Which one is the maximum? 6 is the maximum, so 6 is the answer also here. It is yellow color, so that means you can change these numbers as per. But remember, you cannot calculate any numbers. Whatever in your copy, practice on small numbers. Okay, don't test this application, it cannot do anything. If you want to calculate anything, then you have to go to the top. Here you can put any numbers here, any range of number. It cannot calculate. This is manual method. In manual method, we cannot calculate any number. Then we need the calculator. Okay, but this method is very time taking process. In exam, ma'am or sir will not give so many time to calculate this. We have to calculate it very faster. So that's why this is the manual method is given here. Here you have to put the numbers here. It is yellow cell, so that means you can change these numbers, okay, and you will get the answer. But obviously I am reminding once again, don't cheat this. Don't make your teachers happy, make yourself happy. Teacher happy not important, happy yourself. If you correct any problem in the exam hall, then you will be most happiest person in this world. So don't cheat. Practice it in your copy and thereafter check from here where is the mistake. Remember, in case of, this is very important, in case of calculating the HCF, you have to consider that number. Look at here. One number has come 10 and 4. Still divisible by 2. But we cannot consider 2 because 3 is not divisible by 3. 3 is not divisible by 2. So we cannot consider 2. We have to stop here. We have to consider that number only by which all the numbers are divisible. Look at here, just telling I 4 is divisible by these two numbers. Sorry, these two numbers are divisible by 4, but 18 is not divisible by 4. So that's why we cannot consider 4. So similarly, here also. In this case, obviously, we should practice the divisible rules. We'll include later on. Okay, this divisible rules, you have to practice it, and as many as you practice, as many as you correct it, your confidence level will grow up. And there is a provision for the automatic practice also. Here, you have to calculate the LCM and HCF also, and thereafter manually, and thereafter go below and correct it whether your answer is right or wrong. First LCM and then answer is or HCF for the automatic practice. Here you cannot change the number. Okay. Thank you very much.